We are the global headquarters for 3D printing here in Benton Harbor. Rapid prototyping is a big part of what we do for Whirlpool. We bring designers' ideas to life so that they can actually have a part in their hand for fit and function. 85% of everything we do is 3D printed.
This is a typical FDM part for us at Whirlpool. This was actually printed on the 770. It has small features that were captured very nicely. I was able to fit 2 of these in one build. At Whirlpool, we print a lot of housings and a lot of big parts. The nice thing, the large bed, we can fit those without cutting and gluing. You can put a big part in a big machine, but you can't put it in a small machine. It's a great benefit. For us, 3D printing is cheap insurance that the tool is going to cast what we want it to cast. If we do purchase a tool and we get into production and all of a sudden it's not performing the way we want, now we have to pull the tool out of production. So if we can catch all of that in this prototype stage, it saves us a ton on the back end.
For us at Whirlpool, I can't imagine not having 3D printing. We've been using Stratasys machines for over 20 years. I'm definitely a fan of Stratasys.
When I start a print for the day, I know in the morning I'm going to have success. Very reliable, dependable equipment.